Welcome to Supermath Help 24. We want to look at a problem in congruency equation or modular arithmetic. And we have this problem here, 20 divided by 8 mod 12. Is there going to be a solution? If there's going to be a solution, how many solutions are we going to get? We are going to relate this with simple linear equation in modular arithmetic. So let's dive into the solution. All right, so 20 divided by 8 mod 12. How do we approach it? Remember, in modular arithmetic, we're only interested in the remainders. Integer operations that result in integer answers or results are permitted. Operations that result in decimals and fractions are not permitted. So pay close attention. I'm sure you learn one or two things from this video. All right, we have a question here. So solution, how do we approach this problem? So we have 20 divided by 8 mod 12. Now we can rewrite this with what we know about division. We can rewrite this as 20 all over 8 will give us something mod 12. Now if we cross multiply, we are going to have 8x is equals to something. 8x is equals to 20 mod 12. Now at this point, we need to test and see if there's going to be a solution. And how do we do that? We do that by finding the GCF or the HCF of 8 and 20. What's the HCF of 8 and 20? The HCF of 8 and 20 is 4. And then HCF of 8 and 12. 8 and 12. That's 4. Now, can this 4 divide 20? If this 4 can divide this number, then there's a solution. Of course, 4 can divide 20 to give us 5. So that tells us that there's a solution. Now, how many solutions are we going to have? Number of solution after our test is going to be the same as the HCF of 8 and 12. So the number of solutions we're going to get will be 4. Okay, let's proceed. How do we get those solutions? Quickly, we have 8x is equals to 20 mod 12. Now, do you notice that 4 can divide 8, can divide 20, can also divide 12? So we divide all through by 4, yes, including the mode. But you must bear in mind that what you're working on is mode 12. By dividing all through, including the mode, with a number that can divide all these numbers, you reduce the equation to a form where it will be easy for you to handle. So we have 8x divided by 4 is the same thing as 20 divided by 4, and then you have mode 12 divided by 4. Now this will give me 2x is equals to 5 mod 3. Okay, we can go ahead and reduce this to mod 3, and we have that 2x is equals to 5 mod 3 is 2 mod 3. Now notice that these two can divide, so we'll divide this by 2, and our first answer is x is equals to 1 mod 3. Now remember, we said that there are going to be how many solutions? 4 solutions, because the GCF or the HCF of 8 and 12, which is 4, is divisible but can divide 20. And the number of solutions when that happens is the same as the GCF. So how do we get our other solutions? It's simple. All we need to do is we add this mode to what we got here, and then we keep adding till we get a number close but not greater than the original mode we started, which is 12. Okay, if you do that, what are we going to have? You have the first one is 1, and the second one is this 1 plus 3, and that will be 4. The next solution will be 4 plus 3, that will be 7. The next solution will be 7 plus 3, and that will be 10. Is there a way to show that these solutions actually work? Yes, let's look at a check. Now, the only way to show that these solutions work is if I can find a way of showing that when 8, from our original equation, when 8 multiplies these numbers and they are divided by 12, the remainder will be the same as dividing 12 by 20. Remember, when you divide 20 by 12, your answer is going to be 8. So let's see. Our original equation is 8x, right? So let's check with our answers. If we check 8 times 1, this is 8. So that's the same as the remainder you get when you divide 20 by 12. Now what about 8 times 4? This is the same as 32, and 32 can be expressed as 2 times 12, which is what? It is 24 plus 8. Notice again that the remainder here is also 8, meaning that is the same as this. What about 8 times 7? 8 times 7 is 56, and this is the same as 4 times 12, that's 48, plus 8, same remainder. Okay, what about our last answer? 8 times 10, this is 80. This is same as 6 times 12, that's 72, plus 8. So notice that in each case the remainder is 8. So we've succeeded in proving and also showing that the number of solutions we have. Please press the like and follow button both on our YouTube channels and our Facebook, so that you'll be updated each time we bring forth a new video. Thanks for being part of this video, and share this video too. Thank you.